So we're assuming that these three angles are in the same triangle, and then we have to prove or disprove this statement. So we can imagine, it doesn't necessarily have to be a right triangle, but we can imagine that this is A, this is B, and then this is, I know it looks like a Y, but I think it's meant to be gamma, but whatever. We'll just call it Y. And now, since they're all in a triangle, we know that A plus B plus that variable is going to equal to 180. Because all angles in a triangle add up to 180, all three add up to 180. In radians, it would be pi. Okay, so that means that if I subtract y or gamma from both sides, I know that a plus b, alpha plus beta, is equal to pi minus gamma. Okay, now let's see where we can get with this fact. Okay, so I should be able to substitute this in for a plus b. So let's try that now, because we already established that those are equivalent. Now let's expand this using our difference formula right here for sine. So it's sine of the first argument times cosine of the second argument, and then it's minus cosine of the first argument times sine of the second argument. Okay, so what is sine of pi? So I don't have the unit circle up here, but if you remember the unit circle, pi is right here, and sine relates to the y value. Well, this is right here on the x-axis, and so it is -1, 0. That's the point. So sine of pi is therefore 0, so this whole thing goes away. What is cosine of pi? Cosine of pi is the corresponding x value, which is -1. So this becomes negative sine of y or gamma. And remember, there's a minus in front of that. So guess what? These end up canceling out to a plus, which means that it is indeed equivalent to this side, right? Sine of a plus b is indeed equivalent to this. So that's how you verify it. It is indeed true. Boom, done.